making Valentine's treats for your special someone. So let's get cooking! Today we're going to be showing you how to make Oreo cheesecake cookies for your Valentine. Get your spatulas ready. Let's start cooking. Today you will be needing 8 ounces of cream cheese. So we're just going to pop that in to the mixing bowl. Next you'll be adding 16 tablespoons of salted butter, so 300 grams if you want to convert it. And Bridie realized she didn't have an electric mixer. I don't have much storage, so I thought I can use a whisk. All the gym work pays off. Oh, it's nice and soft. Yeah, it's been sitting out in the lovely Australian heat. Yeah! Use those guns! There's not much there. And you'll need 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. So then you beat it well in the bowl. Now you would probably beat it with an electric beater, but we don't have one. Wow, look at you go, girl. They're on fire. I'm gonna add the pink food coloring now. Only a couple of drops. And how pretty is that? Oh my god. Next you'll be needing 2 cups and a quarter of plain flour. I'll be adding this a little bit at a time, so I'm going to use a sifter while Amelia is mixing the mixture. This looks so good. It does. I just want to eat the whole bowl. I know. I think it looks good because it's pink. So for the final ingredient is my favorite ingredient, which is the Oreos. So you're going to chop up your Oreos, pop it in slowly, the mixture slowly. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. Keep going. Smash up the Oreos within the mixture, and then that kind of blends it all together a bit better, but you still want to leave the chunks in it. Nice crispy chunk that you get when you take a bite out of these pink, cloudy, beautiful cookies. After you've done mixing all your ingredients together, you get some cling wrap and just cover the bowl and put it in the fridge for about an hour just to get more solid and ready for the oven. The reason why we put the mixture into the fridge before baking it, because you have butter and cream cheese in your mixture and it's been softened, it naturally is going to melt. Therefore, when you put your cookies inside the oven, they're going to spread out more and get too thin. If you want your cookies to be nice and plump and thick and not spread out, pop them in the fridge for an hour and then it's going to harden and cook like that. Alright, so pop that in the fridge for an hour and then you're ready to cook. Recipe for Valentine treats today. We're going to be making chocolate pretzels. We have some pretzels and we have some dark chocolate and some white chocolate. Now, depending on how many pretzels you want to do, you can decide on how much chocolate you will need. We also have some white love heart sprinkles. You can also add pink love hearts or red ones, whatever you can find, and some red food coloring because we're going to dye the white chocolate red. So now that we've melted our chocolate, we're going to dip our pretzels into the chocolate and using a swirling motion so it covers half of the pretzel. Once you have done that, you place it onto the parchment paper, onto a tray or a wire rack. So finally you're going to pop on your love heart sprinkles onto the chocolate. After you have done this, you're going to pop it in the fridge until the chocolate is hard. for watching our video, and we hope you enjoyed it and got some really great ideas to make for your Valentine. It's only around the corner, so you better start baking. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really supports our channel. Alright, well, see you later guys. We had a lot of fun today and we'll see you next time. Bye! Bye. Hey Google, how much is 4 ounces in grams?
Convert from ounces to grams. Multiply the mass value by approximately 28.35.
We're not ready for a math lesson, Google. Oh, Bridie, I'm sorry! Oh no! Oh no! Do you have bleach? I don't know why I have long hair. In Queensland. Evie's got mum's phone. Oh, getting random messages. Yeah. That's something in your nose. Oh, I went to go eat an Oreo. I know, me too. Thank you, tea. 15 tablespoons. 1 second. Realize this camera mic is going to be a long segment of Bridie mixing. It's not bad actually. Keep going. Doing great with it. Hope because it was sitting there for a while. Probably fermenting. Don't tell people we're going to be making fermented Oreo cookies. Hey Google. One thing you have to do, everyone, make sure you clean it as you go. Didn't your mother ever tell you that? Oh yeah, you're all slimy. So Bridie doesn't have a microwave either.